let him up. I'll let him up and go down the road. Speeds are between 70 and 80. Estes Road, parallel 392. Driving on the wrong side, fixing to blow this stop sign through the road, and we did. Estes will come out on 392 at Wilson Automotive. We just take a left and go towards 66. You won't drive TVI as soon as I get a chance, but that's not a good road for that. Turn the sharp curves on Estes headed towards 392. TVI, he's in the ditch. Yep, he's still going, Successful TVI. Stop right there, boy. You're mine. What's your problem today?
I got a warrant.
That's not a good reason to run. I-14 Harrison, I'm on Estes Road. Just up from 392. Is there anybody close, county or state? Stay right where you're at.
I'm south for 2 minutes right here.
14, I'm heading away.
I'm holding at gunpoint currently.
I ain't going nowhere else. Go back.
What's that?
I'm ready to go back, sir.
Just stay right where you are.
Yes, sir.
Shut your car off. It'll shut off.
You want me to shut it off?
Shut it off.
What's going on, all right?
Shut it off.
Put it in park?
Are the keys in it?
Yes, sir.
Pull them out. Throw them out here in the road. That worked.
You set me up with you like I ain't.
Harrison I-14, County Road.
10-4, are they close?
They did not start.
10-4. Any weapons in the car?
I got a knife, a couple knives.
Is it on you or in the car?
I don't even think I have a knife on me, sir.
Okay. You got any dope on you?
No.
No dope on you?
No.
All right, here's what I want you to do. Okay? You should open your door slowly. Listen, I'm gonna explain to you what I want. But you open the door slowly.
Yes, sir.
Let's just chill, man.
Chill.
Yeah, let's just chill, man. Keep your hands right clean.
Can I cross my fingers?
No, that's fine. You can cross your
I
fingers.
just want you to know I'm not doing nothing.
That's fine.
They all know me here, man. I've been in trouble here my whole life.
What's your name?
Travis Woolsey.
Travis Woolsey.
Yes. It's my stepdaughter's car. I took it yesterday. They've been looking for me since yesterday.
I got you. You steal a car?
No, I took it because my wife took everything I owned and ran off. I ain't seen her in goddamn weeks. And then everybody wants to doing some other dude. And now she fucking goddamn just... Man, it's just, I'm ready to fucking go sit in jail cell or something. So I didn't deal with this bullshit.
I
And then
understand.
fucking she wants to shit on me. So she just went and got her car and left.
I understand that.
I ain't got no problems. I run. I don't do no violent shit. That's my thing. I run.
Well,
You can drive like a motherfucker too. I just want you to know that.
well, let me tell you something.
Just,
We're getting ready to get you out face down on the ground.
14,
Okay?
Harrison 100 is 19,397.
Simple. I'm going to get you face down on the ground.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Listen to me.
Yes, sir.
Do not try to run from me.
I would not run from you.
Well, you better not. I'll fuck your world up.
I see your eyes. I wouldn't
Okay?
run from you.
I will fuck your world up.
I can tell.
All right. Here's what you're going to do.
Yes, sir.
You're going to open your door
Which hand?
with your
This one?
left hand, okay, on the outside. You're going to crawl out on the ground. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Face down. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
All right.
The door's locked, sir. Or it's
Maybe jammed.
maybe jammed.
There you go. It was locked. Face down on the ground. Face down. Face down. Face down. Get down. Take your left arm, place it in the small of your back. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Keep it right there. You understand me?
Yes,
Do not move.
I will not.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, no weapons on you? I-14 Harrison, I'm 1015.
Most of them's in there in the seat.
I'm going to help you up, okay?
I'm fast. Look.
Hang on, I'm going to get my arm under you and I'm going to help you, okay?
Yes, sir.
You ready? Can you get your legs up under you? There you go.
I just split my hand open, so it might have started bleeding. My left hand.
I'll think you had a band-aid on. That's something to...
10-4. Authorized case.
All right, nothing illegal on your person?
We pop and shit in the car, maybe a raid or something, but nothing like, no drugs in it. Upset, mad the world.
Maybe some weed.
Yeah. I mean, there might be a little bit. I wish there was more.
Any hard?
I wish there was more, because that's
Any
why I
hard dope?
probably wouldn't be driving right now if there was more.
Any hard dope?
No, sir.
No meth, no cocaine.
No.
Nothing that matters. So why'd you run?
You were calling me, so you chasing me. Your blue lights have a license, I don't have a license, I have a warrant. And I don't know if you were putting the car and things like that. I didn't spin the car, she left the fucking keys in the car and said, "Go now, get out of my face."
I got
Which car you want me to get in, this one?
Oh, sir.
Other side?
Yeah.
You mobile?
What's that?
You mobile?
As far as I know. Yeah, I don't think I heard anything.
Yeah,
I may have pushed my bumper in a little bit. That'll be all.
I'll tell you what, you get on the road, I'll sit here and wait on the record.
Okay. Be good to you, bro. Be good to me, I'll be good to you.
I was done the second time you pushed me back in there. I thought about coming back up, but you were giving me hell.
Well, first time was a pretty good TBI. The second time I was expecting to fuck you up.
I know, that's why I said fuck that.
Get back out.
Yeah, let me see if I can back off of him. I ain't been to the car yet. Travis Woolsey is who he says he is. I-14 here's some next 10-11. Is that Travis Woolsey? Have you ever seen him before?
How you doing, man?
Is that who it is?
Huh? Show me who you are on the day birth.
How you spell Woolsey?
W-O-O-L-S-E-Y.
E-Y?
Yeah, W-O-L-S-E-Y, I believe.
What's your birthday, brother? 1990?
How long did it take? I didn't find out. I just told him I was full.
I chased him from 392 in Estes to here.
I heard him come on.
What's your middle name, Travis? Wayne? That's you. I-14 Harrison, 1031, the number please when you're ready.
Go ahead, I-14.
925-118-189, 925-118-189. Last name is Woolsey. First name is Travis. Date of birth will be 1990-0825. 1990-0825. So you knew you were going to prison then, didn't you? Yeah. Let me ask. My mind's a little. Yo.
There's I-14. Deliver me the locks.
You got socks? I'll grab them, okay? All right, give me a minute. Yes. Stop.